Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by diagnosing the exact Directx function error you see. Note the full error message and code. Check that Windows is running Directx 12 and is up to date. Confirm your PC meets FIFA 23 minimums like 8 GB RAM, supported GPU, and 64-bit Windows. If the error appears at launch, reproduce it after a reboot and record steps. This diagnostic information guides targeted fixes and avoids unnecessary reinstalls or resets. Next, update critical software components to eliminate compatibility problems. Update your GPU driver to the latest WHQL release from NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel. Install the latest DirectX runtime from Microsoft and the Visual C++ 2015 to 2019 redistributables. Ensure your Windows 10 or Windows 11 system is fully updated and reboot afterwards. After updates, launch FIFA 23 to test if the Directx function error persists. If the problem continues, proceed to file verification and configuration steps. If updates do not fix the issue, verify the game files next. Use Steam or the EA app to verify or repair FIFA 23 game files and apply any missing components. Disable overlays like Discord, Steam, or Xbox Game Bar before launching the game. Edit game configuration to force DirectX 12 or lower API if advised, and run the game as administrator. As a final step, consider a clean reinstall only if file repair and configuration fixes fail to resolve the error.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.